guys, welcome to my first YouTube video in truths and myths of what you could do with your RC. So my name is Mike with Run with Mike RC. So thank you for joining me here today. So I was searching online the other day and I was trying to figure out how can I fix my body from all these tumbles and falls. I've seen that you could go ahead and and sand it down with a 1500 grit sandpaper, sand it out, polish it down, and get it done. So I've seen that a lot of times. I've also seen recently that you get a heat gun, dun, 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 get your body and warm it up. So let's see if that's true. That's going to be my first one. Let's see if this is true, something that you could possibly, get rid of some of these scratches and make your body look new again. So I'm going to try it. Hopefully you guys are here for the ride. One thing I did learn while doing a little bit of research, two settings, low and high. So we're definitely going to keep a lot of this on the high, but you can't keep it in one place. You can't get the Lexan body too hot, otherwise it's going to bubble up and pop and it's going to destroy your RC. But it is my first video, guys, so wait and see let's see what happens here. All right, let's get started. So let's start off with the windshield. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit. It is pretty scratched up, pretty bad here. So let's see if we could fix it with the heat gun. All right, let's get started, guys. Now, as you can see, there are a few scratches right in here. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there are a few scratches on here. There you go. That should give you a better angle. See that big old deep scratch that's right in there? Well, let's find out, see what happens. See if it disappears. I did prep and clean. So as you can tell, I did do it wrong and it did not give me the desired look that I wanted. So that was a bust. Looked like it was gonna work for a minute, but now I got bubbles. Let's see if we could do it on a low heat, a low setting, and maybe get some better results. What do I think? Does this work? Truth or myth or well, I think it works into a certain aspect. If your truck is a little bit beat up and doesn't have too many deep scratches, yeah, I think it's gonna work. But if you got some big old scratches, like some real deep dents, nah, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna, you're better off either polishing it down with 1500 grit sandpaper, polishing it out and doing it that way. I tried to sand it down with some grit paper. It didn't work as I expected, but I would definitely give up on your body or anything. I would definitely sand it down. That's what I would do. Sand it down and redo it. But it definitely looks a little shinier. So if you see it on the road, out on the trails, you know what happened, guys. But I think the Lexan body is a little too thin for the heat gun, so it could smooth out all the creases and the lines that needs to be smoothed out and covered up. Best bet again, like I said, maybe sanding it down. Worst case scenario, just buy a new body, guys. So that was my take on truth and myth. So if you guys want me to test anything out, let me know what works, what doesn't, and I'll go ahead and test it out for you guys. Until then, until the next time, guys, I'll be coming out with a video at least once a week, maybe every Wednesdays. So I do look forward to meeting you guys up on the trails here on YouTube. So until then, keep on trying and keep on being happy, guys.